friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price changes occur in the THETA network in the last 1 hour. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and hit my 2k subscriber. Now let's see the live price prediction. Live changes occur in the THETA network price. So let's see on the screen. As you can see here, that is the live changes occur in the THETA network. First of all, we look the chart of the THETA network. What changes occur? The chart tell us that the THETA network in the last 1 hour they are ready for jumping, and they are take a huge jump. As you can see here, like a rocket, they are jumping upward, as you can see here. Now let's see the changes occur in the last 1 hour in the THETA network in the cryptocurrencies market. The changes is a positive 0.44% chance occur in the THETA network in the previous last 1 hour result. As you can see here, the high price of the THETA network in the last 1 hour is the high price as $11.98. They are crossing $12. As you can see here, they are crossing $12 soon, inshallah. As you can see here, that's the high price of THETA network in the last 1 hour. So that is the last 1 hour result and news of THETA network price and changes occur in the THETA network. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.